we have already created the company Farhan Private Limited, and now we are going to be enter the opening balance into Tally ERP 9. In order to enter the opening balance into Tally ERP 9, we have to be create the account. You can see here there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 accounts have in this company. So we have to be create the account mean ledger account. So we have to be create the ledger first, then we have to be enter the balance. If we enter the balance, the Tally ERP 9 it's automatically generate the trial balance, right? If you like the video, so please put the like button, and if you are not subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon next to you. You will get the update videos. If you want to be create the ledger, first you need to go to the gateway of Tally. Under the gateway of Tally, you need to choose the accounts info, and then you can see here ledgers. So you need to click the ledger, and then you need to choose the create under the single ledger. So I'm going to be click. Then you need to be write what are the ledgers we have to be create. You can see here the first one capital 490,000. So first I'm going to be type capital, then it is coming under the capital account. So and then I'm going to be enter the opening balance 490,000, right? Okay, then enter. If you enter the total opening balance, it will show here what are the effect into the opening balance. It will show here, right? So the first we have entered the capital account. The second we have to be enter the cash. If we want to be get that default cash account, we have to choose that default cash account. So if you press the page up key, you can get it. There is a two default account available in the Tally ERP 9. The first one profit and loss account, the one is cash. So cash is we have to be choose, then we have to be enter how much 280,000. So we have to enter. This is debit, right? So the next one is furniture 50,000. So I'm going to be enter furniture 50,000. So I'm going to be copy this one, then I'm going to be paste here furniture. This is coming under the fixed asset, so I'm going to choose that fixed asset, and then I'm going to be enter the amount, the opening balance 50,000. Okay, now you can see that effect different it will appear. Okay, so the next one is land and building. It is also coming under the fixed asset. So I'm going to be copy, and I'm going to be write land and building, and it is also coming under the fixed asset. So I'm going to be enter the opening balance 60,000, right? The next one is outstanding salary. Outstanding salary mean we have to be pay the salary, so it is the one of the current liability. So we have to choose that outstanding salary account we have to create under the current liabilities. So we have to choose the current liability. So if you type the C button into the keyboard, the starting C ledger account will be list of group account will be appear. So I'm going to choose the current liability, and then I need to enter the opening balance how much, the 50,000, then enter. The next one is investment. Investment is a one of the company asset, so I'm going to be enter the investment account, and it is coming under the non-current asset or fixed asset. So I'm going to choose the fixed asset, and I'm going to be enter how much, that one 20,000 debit, right? Okay. The next one is prepaid expenses. It means that we have advance paid for expenses. It's not consumed, so it is also one of the current assets for the company. So I'm going to be create the ledger prepaid expenses, and it is coming under the current asset, and the amount is how much, 20,000. I'm going to be type. Okay. The next one is machinery. Machinery is a fixed asset for the company, so I'm going to be type the machinery. It is coming under the fixed asset, and I'm going to choose, and then amount is how much, 60,000. Okay, I'm going to accept. The final one is stock, 50,000. So I'm going to be type stock. It's coming under the current asset, and I need to enter the amount, how much, the 50,000. Okay. So now you can see that the total opening balance equal 540,000 debit as well 540,000 credit. It means that our sum is correct. As well here also you can see the total is 540,000 as well. Here also 540,000. Debit equal to credit always. So now our sum is correct, right? So if you want to be check our trial balance, I'm going to press the escape button and go to the report, and then you can see under the display button, you can see, you can click the trial balance, and you can see right now the trial balance, right? So the capital account 490, the current liability 50,000, fixed asset 190,000, current assets 350,000. The total amount debit 540,000, total credit is 540,000. So everything is correct. If you want to be master in Tele ERP 9 with the GST, you can enroll with our course. The course name is Tele ERP 9 with the GST step-by-step guide from basic to advanced course. The links I provided in the description box. You can click the link and we will meet up into the course.